How did he get over here?
Just on nature?
Yeah.
There's too much grip in here.
Hey!
Only the best with tuna.
Where's Kurt?
I want at least 150 pound tarpon. and if a permit isn't over 20 pounds, I don't even want to touch it. I'm greedy for this trip.
Oh my goodness.
Chupapi? Menino.
Top number one would be a permit of any size in any kind of way. It could be a 4-inch permit that I'm vertical jigging on a fly rod. I don't care how. If I get a permit in my hands, that's number one. Everything else is just icing on the cake at that point.
Look at that. Hey.
Oh! A+ service.
Wow. Thank you.
Palometa Club. It is located in Punta Allen, Mexico. We were invited to come down and stay at the lodge, fish with them for a week. And it was an incredible experience. From lagoons to coral bottom to sand bottom, Ascension Bay brings everything to the table. Probably my favorite thing is the back of the lodge faces Ascension Bay. And so every day when you come back, the boats are pulling in, the bar's right there, and it's just the immediate fish stories break out every day. All you do there is you wake up, you think about fishing, you go fish, and you talk about fishing, and you go to bed and you dream about fishing.
Unit! I can't believe this right now. Holy cow.
Vai com o bumbum tam tam, vem com o bumbum tam tam tam, vai mexe o bumbum tam tam, vem desce o bumbum tam tam tam, vai mexe o bumbum tam tam, vem desce o bumbum, vai com o bumbum, vem com o bumbum.
Oh my god, dude. What is going on?
Vai treme o bumbum tam 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 vai com o bumbum tam tam, vem com o bumbum tam tam tam, vai mexe o bumbum tam tam, vem desce o bumbum tam tam tam, vai mexe o bumbum tam tam, vem desce o bumbum, vai com o bumbum, vem com o bumbum, pula vazio, envolvente que mexe com a mente de quem tá presente, as novinhas salientes, fica loucona e se joga pra gente. Eu falei assim pra ela.
It's like we showed up for practice, but we kind of forgot some of the plays. That's what I felt like just happened. There was a lot of athletic plays, and we caused a few fumbles, i.e. the bonefish. But yeah, we haven't got a touchdown yet.
Vai treme o bumbum tam 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 te falando.
Make sure
Vai
there's
pro
many videos as possible.
Vem.
He's gone.
Let's talk tarpon.
Talking about the boys. Oh man, what a great trip. We were blessed with 2 new members on this trip, Joab and Sam. And Logie was a repeat for episode 2, along with myself. And it was awesome. It was cool just to go to another country and spend some time with people that we don't really get to spend a whole lot of time with. And you know, now we all are all local to the Panhandle, so that's cool. But prior to this, we didn't really have an opportunity to go spend a lot of time or fish together. Guys, hold on one second. We are filming an interview, but there's a school of fish behind us. Good thing there's a gate here. Each one of the boys just brings something totally different to the table. You know, some of us just got into fly fishing, some of us have done it our whole life. Sam's been fly fishing. I think he was fly fishing in the womb. Joab, I don't know how long he's been fly fishing, long enough that he can cast like 300 feet.
I'm so bad at casting.
And then Logie Bear. Logan's just the ultimate like hype person. He's just the most dynamic and expressive person that I think I've ever been around. So if you have a camera on him, it's gonna be good.
There's no shot, dude. I don't even want to eat food. I don't even want to eat.
Look at your eyes.
It's been a long day, dude. I don't know if you noticed, but I caught that permit at like 11 o'clock. Been filming ever since.
So, yeah, it was an epic trip.
All right. We're cruising on the boat. We're in a tarpony area, and then we see the roll. It at first didn't seem like anything special because we'd seen a lot of small tarpon moving through. It was more of just a disturbance in the water. So, you know, 1, 2, get a line out there, right in the bite zone. Strip, 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 strip. And then it happens. I literally see this tarpon's whole head come out of the water to grab this fly almost at the top, come out of the water, head turned back down. This is not a small juvenile tarpon. This thing is, we're gonna be set for a little while on this guy. And this thing begins one of the craziest bites and fishing experiences of my life. Oh my. Oh!
Rising over his highness, getting violent. I need silence, I need silence. For the souls of the old lost, gather round, we can all watch the throne fall. When you king has ascended a ghost, y'all. Crown me your majesty, oh Lord. Majesty, oh Lord. Oh Lord, it's the classic, this classical code art. Urban blacksmith, blackfist and Mozart.
you see him take a little gulp? And then he was like,
The last day, we got the head guide again, Jerry, and we just had a really cool opportunity. Like, we just kept tucking away in mangroves and went back to the dock at one point, and it's just so cool to see someone that's been fishing for that long is the head guide, and their desire to be on the water just never stops.
Everybody knows me like Jerry because it's a lot easier for Americans to pronounce it. But my real name is Gerardo Velasquez. I like the word on the water is just different, and I learned, and that's how I do remember my father. So my father was a lobster fisherman for 48 years. So then that's the best memories I have in the water is with him. Yeah, when I am in the water on lobstering, that reminds me of my father a lot. I lost it a few years ago from COVID, and that's the saddest moment I ever had in my life. But his memory, every time, like that island we were like Punta Pájaros, every time I am fishing around there, the story I told you in the morning about the camping, I look on the coastline, those memories come back to my head.
You know, we're going there to fish, we're going there to surf, but what you leave with is always the memory of the conversations that you had with people and the things that really hit home, or the laughters that, you know, hurt your gut because you laughed so hard. Jerry, you know, left me with something on this trip, and you could see his passion for his community and his passion for his craft.
There is another children in town I've been helping, like a blind girl. She wants to be a lawyer, now she's in school. One day, I don't know what happened in her house, but the house got on fire, and she lost everything, like clothing, school stuff and everything. And the Rising Tide, they donated a new lab, tablet, and some girls like Maxie, she brought some clothing for her, and other donations. I mean, we're trying to help people that they have needs.
That was really special to kind of experience that, because like if we didn't get bad weather, we would have pushed right back into locking in, and we're trying to find permit, and we're trying to throw out a fish that really doesn't want to eat the thing we're throwing at him.
okay. Started off the day by going straight to a spot we had heard had been good via Sam and Joab. We had to go check it out, so we shot there straight first thing in the morning, just hour run to that spot. And a school of about 6 or 7 permit came through, and I had a decent backhand cast at them, and I just remember seeing like 3 or 4 fish turn on this fly, and I originally thought it was one that was like this big that had pinned it down to the ground. So I strip set, and I'm on. You can actually hear Kurt say, "Oh, he's a big one."
That was awesome.
I wanted it to last as long as it could, but I also wanted to get my hands on the fish. So It was a beautiful day. The water was just crystal clear and the sun was out, palm trees all around us. It was a really memorable fish for me.
The town is just so special. It's all wrapped around permit. I mean, I was explaining this to someone recently. There's so many people that their profession down there is literally to help people locate and catch one specific fish that is incredibly stubborn to feed. So it's a super unique experience to say that a community and a culture is literally built on the back of targeting a specific species. Obviously you have tarpon and bonefish there, and those are heavily targeted as well, but people go down there to catch permit. They go down there to experience what this hunt and the chase of permit fishing is all about.
Top number one would be a permit of any size in any kind of way. It could be a 4-inch permit.
Let's get it. Popping bottles nightly. Yeah, we're dancing slightly. This space has got me feisty, feisty, feisty. Whoa, popping bottles nightly.
Cutie, patootie. Okay.
Yeah, we're dancing slightly. This space has got me feisty, feisty, feisty. Let's get it.
Tell me about this fish, Joab.
Oh my gosh. Most people that don't know about. Oh, there's the release.
Yeah, baby.
That's what that fish is.
Let's get it. Popping bottles nightly. Yeah, we're dancing slightly. This space has got me feisty, feisty, feisty. Whoa, popping bottles nightly. Yeah, we're dancing slightly. This space has got me feisty, feisty, feisty. Let's get it. Let's get it. We go hard all night. We go hard all day. Nothing gets in our way. It's feisty, feisty. We go hard all night. We go hard all day. Nothing gets in our way. It's feisty, feisty. Let's get it. Popping bottles nightly. Yeah, we're dancing slightly. This space has got me feisty, feisty, feisty. Whoa, popping bottles nightly. Yeah, we're dancing slightly. This space has got me feisty, feisty, feisty. Let's get it.
First permit. How do you feel?
Dude, invigorated.
Let's get it.
Oh my gosh, thank you guys for the patience. That was embarrassing.
Let's get it. Whoa. Let's get it. Let's get it.
All right, predictions, brother.
We both land a permit today. Yes! Let's go in. I got that on video. I put so many that I didn't get on video.
Hello. All right, so we are headed back to Tulum right now. Epic week with the boys down at the Palometa Club, and yeah, my favorite memory this week, visually, well, one, the experience at the lodge was fabulous. The crew there, the guides, it was awesome. We had a great time, learned a lot, specifically around permit fishing. But probably my favorite visual thing, I'm gonna say two. One was watching Logan's permit eat, and then the other was probably the big tarpon that we had on. It was just airing out, so that was super epic.
Also, same as Kurt, you know, seeing that tarpon eat his fly and then just go berserk, and then watching the permit I caught kind of just pin that fly to the bottom and eat it.
We are trying to catch tarpon off, I don't think you could call it a dock, but kind of. We just found Kurt out here.
Bro, this dog is war-torn.
Kurt went missing and he's out here battling beside him.
Jeez.
Like, look at that. Like, the man is deranged in the best possible way.
We're rolling, are we locked in?
Yeah, we're locked in.
Alright, this week has been unbelievable. I mean, everybody's saying the same thing, but the lodge was crazy. Like, so nice. The people were amazing. I think one of the things that you go there obviously for fishing, but like being able to be in a spot where everybody was just as stoked about being there, about fishing, about hanging out was, I mean, incredible. Favorite individual kind of fishing moments. First time catching a permit, so that was pretty insane to be able to cast that tailing permit and see them moving was wild. I mean, it really is. I mean, obviously you'll see the footage, but it was crazy. And then getting to see everybody's reaction when they caught their first permit or that fish they were trying to catch on the trip was like, oh, it's like they won the lottery. So that was pretty cool.
Choose some nature?
I wanted it to last as long as it could.
Jerry's the goat.
Ooh. That was embarrassing. Choose some nature.